Hi, we're here today to discuss pillow inserts as featured on the websites unitedpillow.com, pillowsexpress.com, and cushionsexpress.com. And keep in mind, Express is without the E, no E in Express. It's just Express. We did that as to not dispel sex for the search engines. First of all, let's say that we can get three shapes on the website, online. And the three shapes are square, rectangle, the round, which I don't have one, and the Tootsie Roll or the bolster or cylinder. You can get any one of these shapes in any size you want. Doesn't have to be any particular size. It doesn't have to be a standard size. It can be any size you want. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's talk about the different fibers that we use for our pillow inserts. First fiber is the soft fiber. This fiber is bouncy, fairly smooth. It's the type of insert you would find in most craft shops and fabric shops. This insert can't take a karate chop. It can hold out fairly well. It's not made for real heavy duty use, but it's a nice insert. It'll fill out your pillow. Pillow's just gonna sit there. Great insert to have. Next insert is the Permasoft. It's one step up from the soft. It can hold its shape better. It has more durability, it's smoother, and firmer. It cannot take a karate chop either, but it's a nice insert. It fills out the pillow well and looks great. Next, the Playa fiber. This insert is a limp fiber. It doesn't bounce back. It can take the karate chop especially well. Holds out okay. It's a nice insert. It's made to be karate chop. It doesn't quite have the feel of down, but it's not hard either. It's a nice insert. Next in line, the faux down. This insert is called a lot of different things in different places. Faux down, synthetic down, down-like. It's made to imitate down. It's about as close to synthetic to down as you can get with synthetic fiber. This insert can also take a karate chop, and it holds very well. It's very soft, smooth, and mushy. It feels silky. Okay, trying to imitate down, and it does a very good job of it. Okay, keep in mind I'm showing you all these inserts with a synthetic fabric called polypropylene. It's the type of fiber you find on an airplane pillow. It's made without weaving, so it feels smooth like paper. It's not paper. It's much more sturdy and supple, as you can see. It can take abuse. Can't be washed, but it's very good for the outdoors because it doesn't create any mold or mildew. Okay, next is down and feather inserts themselves. We carry those as well. This is a 1090 down and feather insert. Very nice feel to it. Doesn't make a lot of sound. It doesn't have a crunchy sound to it. It feels smooth, fairly nice. And of course, it can take a karate chop. Excellent insert. When ordering these inserts, keep in mind that you should order them 2 inches bigger. That's 2 inches bigger than the size of your case or cover. For example, this case measures 24 by 24. The insert should be a 26 by 26 inch insert. Why? You want to fill out the corners. You want to have it fairly full, and you want it to look nice. And that's the reason why you do it. If not, the fiber tends to gather towards the center, and it does not fill out your corners. 2 inches bigger than the size of your case. Of course, that is a rule of thumb, and for every rule, there is an exception. Anything less than 16 inches, you can just order 1 inch larger. And you should order 1 inch larger. Why? It'll have an overstuffed look if you don't. This is a 16 by 16 inch insert. This is a 16 by 16 inch case. It's made with a 17 by 17 inch insert. Corners are nicely filled. It has a nice look to it. You should not get an 18 for a 16 unless you really want to have that overstuffed look. This works great. Anything under 16, 1 inch. Anything over 16 inch, 2 inches. Example, you have a 12 by 12 case, you get a 13 by 13 inch insert. You have a 22 by 22 case, get a 24 by 24 insert. Let's assume you have a rectangle, a 12 by 24. You add 1 inch to the side that's 12. You add 2 inches to the side that's 24. So you get a 13 by 26 inch insert. Remember, general rule, 2 inches bigger, smaller than 16 inches, 1 inch bigger. Next, we're going to show you how to navigate the website and get one of these inserts in your living room.